Hello dosto, welcome to my new video. So before I begin, let me just tell you I waited very long for my iPhone 13 Pro. You can see the date in the upper right corner for my pre-booking. I was planning to buy it on the occasion of Diwali, but bad luck guys, there was no stock anywhere, neither online nor offline. So after 26 days, I finally got a call from the Apple Premium Reseller, which is situated at the world class mall in Lucknow, and that is Phoenix Palacio Mall. So you can see it, the mall is very luxurious, and this is our Apple Premium Reseller Unicorn. And I would like to thank Mr. Ahmed for making all the processes so fluid for me at the store. So guys, finally I am home and let me show you what I got. This is the clear case, not from Apple brand, but it's a very good brand. Got it from the same store. This is a tempered glass which is very necessary for such a costly phone, including the case and the tempered. It's very necessary guys. And now this is the adapter, 20-watt fast charging adapter from the obviously Apple brand, because it's not available inside the box, so you have to buy it separately. And this is what we went to the store, and this is the iPhone 13 Pro 128 GB. And let me tell you guys, I got the whole combo at a cost of rupees 1,25,000, and the price of the phone is 1,19,900, you can see. So since I had the HDFC Bank credit card, so I got a cashback of rupees 5,000. So you can say I got the accessories free of cost. So now it's time for the unboxing. Let me just tear the two seals and see our Sierra Blue unit. So yeah, I am tearing it off. Now the bottom one, and just a second. So OMG, wow, Apple never fails to surprise you all over again. I mean, just look at it. It looks so decent, so classy. And guys, I'm really impressed with this Sierra Blue color. This is the protective sheet, and you can see the edge is made of surgical grade steel. I mean, it's so shiny that I can see my fingerprint imprinted on it. Impressions are there. It's so shiny. So now let me remove the film, and the screen looks perfect. Jet black. This is the charging port, earpiece. On the left you can see the volume rockers as well as the silent button. The triple camera setup. The power button on the right edge. Now let me switch it on. So yeah, it's perfect. I guess the unit is perfectly fine, and I got a great product which really makes me feel happy inside because everything was perfect. So now you can see the welcome hello screen, and the notch is a bit smaller than earlier models, which is good. And we can definitely go ahead to set this new iPhone for a regular use. Okay, so before we set up, let me show you what other things are there inside the box. This is a lightning cable, type C to lightning cable for charging, and this contains all the documentations, the SIM card ejector tool, Apple sticker, and the documentation is regarding the battery information, some early uses, some guidelines, and other stuff. Transferring data from your old iPhone is really easy. You just bring your old phone near the new phone and press the continue button, and the new phone will definitely show a code. You scan the code in your old phone and your phone is connected instantly without any hassle. And I guess it will ask for the passcode of the old device. And yes, I have to enter the passcode. I am entering. And after that guys, the process is done. You can just wait for around half an hour, and your new device will be a clone of your old device. It's really easy, guys. In the meantime, let me give you all some features which are there in the 13 Pro model. So here they are. The A15 Bionic chip. As of now, it's the best SoC chip available in any smartphone. It's the brain of your iPhone, which handles everything from software handling to gaming performance and etc. The ProMotion technology. It is the adaptive refresh rate of the screen, which supports up to 120 Hz. It reduces motion blur and makes action feel smoother and appear sharper. Very helpful in gaming scenarios. Now comes the cinematic mode. With this you can shift your focus from one subject to another in the video to get depth of field effect. And along with the Dolby Vision HDR format, it looks really awesome. Now comes the macro mode. This feature is exclusive to Pro series, and with this you can focus on an object as close as 2 centimeters. The optical zoom is supported till 3x through the telephoto lens, and it also offers 15x digital zoom, which is really great to capture the portrait shots or a normal shot. Now comes the Apple ProRes. It is a high quality video format developed by Apple, and it's basically important in post-production works. It records with minimal compression, which results in high quality video files and more color grading options at the end. Also, the file sizes are a bit large, so it holds more memory on your phone. Lastly, the photographic scenes or styles. They are like iPhone filters, but here you can adjust the tone and warmth of each style. And the style won't affect the skin tone of the people in the photos, which makes it look more natural and real. Guys, the setup of our phone is complete, and in the meantime I also installed the tempered glass as well as the hard plastic case on my phone, and it looks really brilliant. There was an update prompt also, so I put that as well in the background. And now let's just see the information. You can see it's iOS 15.1 and the warranty is till 2022. So the product is very genuine. You can see the memory is 128 GB. So let me finish the update now. Here I have my iPhone 11 Pro Max, 12 and the latest 13 Pro. And the 13 Pro camera module is larger because it has a wider aperture which allows more light to enter for better image quality, especially during night mode. Now time for some demo. Macro mode. You can see how small the prints are, and just imagine the camera quality, how it enlarged the 250 ml bottle prints. And the second is the cinematic mode. Just notice how I shifted the focus from first person to the back person. The conclusion. iPhone 13 Pro is a very powerful device to hold in your hands. As the name says, it is designed for the Pro and also offers larger memory options. You can get up to 1 terabyte of variant. So if you are a pro gamer, a pro photographer, or a Pro series lover, then definitely go for it. Otherwise, iPhone 13 and 13 mini are also not bad options to go with. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.